My camera got too hot and cut itself off. I don't know why being in here doing this, but anyways. What y'all think about that? Woo! Getting her done. I got a lot of cleaning up to do. I'm trying to get my area situated and build my own table, my workbench, so I can work on Black Beauty properly. About that shit. Hell yeah. This will probably be my next video. By the way, I lost my GoPro 360 on the Gray Ghost the other night riding. It fell off. The mount was still there, but the screw that holds the camera onto the mount came loose at the base of the camera, and when I got back here to the warehouse, it was gone. I went all the way back and traced all my route from the last time I seen it, and it was gone. Anyways, there's Luca. I guess I'm gonna cut this off here, do some more cleanup. Woo! Luca! Hi, sweet boy. Alright, family. Love y'all. Get off here. I'll holler at y'all later.